All right, let's look at this next example. Since b is equals to 2, 1, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, negative 1, 2. Find the determinant. Now, we have been using the first rule. Look at, you can use the second rule. Look at the sign, plus, negative, plus, minus, plus, minus, and this is plus, minus, plus. So you can use any rule. If I like, the first example we use this first rule. I would have said 2, then cover the 0, 1, 1, 2, negative 1, 2. Now I want to use the second one. You see, we are still going to arrive at the same answer. Now I'll use the second rule. My leading element in the second row is negative 4. So the determinant of this, determinant of b, will be equals to, using the cofactor expansion and picking the second row, negative 4. Now cover what is here and what is by the side. So the 2 by 2 matrix here, we have 1, 3, negative 1 and 2. 1, 3, negative 1 and 2. Negative 1 and 2. Then plus 0. Plus 0. Then I have, look at, cover what is here. Cover what is here. I have 4, 1, 2, and 2. So I have 4, 1, 2, and 2. Then the next one, I have my negative 1. Negative 1, yes, negative 1. So cover here, cover here. I'm left with 4, 0, 2, and negative 1. 4, 0, 2, and negative 1. So let's expand. So this, the determinant of b will be equals to negative 4 into bracket. Now this times this, 1 times 2, that's 2, minus, open bracket, 3 times negative 1, that's negative 3, plus 0 into bracket, 4 times 2 is 8, minus 2 times 1 times 2 is 2, then minus 1 into bracket, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, minus 0 times 2, 0. Now let's continue. So this becomes negative 4 into bracket, 2 plus 3, that's 5. This and this will cancel out, plus, anyway, no need to bother my head with this, because anything times 0 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 0 is 0, so I put 0 there. Minus 1 into bracket, negative 4 minus 0, that's negative 4. So this is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 1, that's plus 4. Negative 1 times this, that's plus 4. So you have negative 4 times this, that's negative 20, plus 0, then plus 4. So that will give us negative 20 plus 4. That will be negative 16. You can use any of them. Try it out. Let me know if you arrived at the same answer here. You can use this as the leading row. You can use this 2, negative 1, and 2 as the leading row. You will also get negative 16 as the determinant.